Thanks for the invitation to talk about my experience in the Graduate Certificate in Applied Mindfulness at Nan Tien Institute. Before doing the course, I think I understood mindfulness mostly as an individual practice, something that could help for stress management, for my personal well-being, and so on. But doing the course really deepened my understanding of mindfulness as something relational and embodied, and something that can shape the way that I work and lead and the way that I interact with others. One of the most significant outcomes for me was that a colleague and I started a weekly mindfulness and meditation group at the university where I work in teaching and learning leadership. And it's become a really meaningful space for academic and professional staff to pause together at the start of each week in our often quite busy and demanding work environments. So some of the things I appreciated about the course, the content, obviously, but probably more so was the way it was taught. Each subject I did modelled a different way of working, a different way of teaching. It was slower, it was more reflective, more grounded, and just really human. There was an emphasis, and we practiced pausing, listening, and noticing, rather than constantly pushing toward productivity, or rather than just learning content. So that really had quite a profound impact on me. It shifted the way I think about meetings, about workload, care, resilience, and how I can play a part in creating workplaces that are more connected and more sustainable. So the course wasn't abstract or disconnected from my other life, and it genuinely changed aspects of both my personal practice and my professional life. And as a student, it was a really great experience. The staff were all so passionate and all so knowledgeable. And I would really recommend it to pretty much anyone who's interested in this kind of practice for their life and for their work.